Hey there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing 5-step infographic slide in just 4 minutes. So let's begin. So the first step is to insert shape. So first of all, you have to insert a rectangle like this and remove its outline and go to edit points and give one edit point right here and add another one just below in the bottom right here. And here you go. And one in the middle right here. Add one point right here. And then remove these corner points that are at the corner. And if this is curved like, so just click on straight segment. So here you go. Now let's just duplicate this shape. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is just duplicate it for and use an eyedropper to change their color. We have to duplicate it about 5 times and then use the eyedropper to change their colors. You can just use shades color palettes and you can just search for shades color palettes and you can just get many color palettes that you can use for this template. So the next thing I'm going to do is duplicate a fifth shape and then you're going to just move them and give them equal distance. Select all of these and put them right onto the right side and align them horizontally and vertically in the rotate option. So the next step is to insert text. Now let's insert a text box just onto these shapes. And we're going to increase its size, use a bold font, and then we're going to change its color to white. And let's just put it right here. Here you go. Let's put it in the middle and go to Format Shape and Text Options and increase the transparency of this text as much that the text is still visible. Close the Format Shape panel and then you're going to just duplicate this text box and then you're going to place it onto the next shape and you're going to customize it per uh, your needs. So let's just duplicate it about 5 times and put it on each of the shape. Select all of them and as you can see they are not clearly visible. I'll just decrease the transparency weight. Go to format shape and text options and decrease the transparency weight. The third step is to group shapes. So the first thing we're going to do is select the each of the shape along with its text and then group it and then send it to the back. So as you can see, first of all, I'll start from the left side, grouping each of the shape and here you go. Select them and move them out of the template and you have to put them right here in this order. Here you go. Now change the background's color and I'll just use a dark shade of the same color, give them shadow to these rectangles. Now insert a text box for the header of this entire slide. And the next thing we're going to do is just insert a subtitle just below the title. By the way, let me tell you one thing that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below and then you can just customize it for your own personal use. Please don't use this template for any commercial purposes. So let's just insert other things in this template and that's all we have to do. Duplicate the slide and then you have to move the shapes apart. Be sure to hold shift while moving the shapes because we're going to move morph transition. So the fourth step is to use the morph transition. Select both the templates and give them morph transition from the transitions tab. Duplicate the first slide and move it into the last slide. So let's review our final result. So this is the final result of this entire template. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these.